welcome back to my channel. Today I am working here with my son Nathan.
Hi.
And he actually has his own channel called
Nate Boyko.
He has a lot of fun videos like traveling, checking out fun places to go with family and kids, and what else?
Unboxing and doing like experiments.
Yeah, he's got a lot of fun videos. But today we are gonna do another fun project.
And it's about Teachers Appreciation Day. So basically we're making this chalkboard.
Yep, chalkboard, but it's gonna be fun.
That works.
It's gonna be called
McDonald's Chalkboard.
It's gonna be fun, so let's do it together. We're actually doing this for Teacher Appreciation Week, Teacher Appreciation Day, whichever you want to call it, and that's what we want to do for his teacher, just a little present. It's very important to have a good teacher because we rely on that. And so yeah. So chalkboard, all you need is like a box, which we found chips are chips that were in this box. We're gonna remove them. This is gonna be our
chalkboard.
Okay, so our next step is to
paint it. Make sure it's black and it's matte paint.
Yep, make sure it's not glossy. He's gonna paint his board for his teacher, and I'm gonna paint this one, and later I'm planning to sell it on my Etsy, and I will drop the link below.
Yeah.
And welcome back. We got our boxes painted and it's dry.
And it's nice and ready.
Like I said, these boxes are from our chips. You can use like a top from your shoe box, from puzzle box, or anything you can find that you want to use for this purpose. Now we are going to make
the French fries box.
And we got a template. All I did just went on Google, type rice box template. Click on images and you can find any size, shape, or but you will find something like this that you red cardboard. Red, obvious, because
well, it's McDonald's.
So since we got this template cut out and folded, we are going to glue it together.
Like bonds a lot of stuff, and it's completely bonded.
Okay, we have 2 boxes ready. Aren't they super cute?
Yeah, they are.
So I used some funky glue. I don't suggest. Yeah, I glued my fingers together. Don't recommend just grabbing some random glue. Get something that you trust. And what we're gonna do, you wanna say what we're gonna do?
We're gonna glue them on. Yeah, like this corner, like glue them the bottom, like to this and like this to that.
Yep. So let's get to it. So you want to show what we got?
Now we got the chalk holder. It's cute. Make sure you leave those other two, yellow and orange, for you.
We can add some more.
Please don't use those other colors.
You want to put some green fries?
No.
That's the idea with the fries box. And now, what else do we need for chalkboard?
And the eraser, which is gonna be the hamburger.
Yep. So to make a eraser or a burger, in our case, we need a circle, cardboard circle. We had this nearby. I just had to trace the circle and on something hard, cardstock or cardboard, and we happen to have a box of cookies. And I cut those out. It does not matter what you have on it because it's going to be covered. So we got those two. Next step, we need to cut out 2 circles out of
Felt, which is basically craft felt.
but it has to be about an inch or inch and a half bigger in diameter than the circles we got here. So let's get to it. And it doesn't have to be perfect circle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the circle, cardboard circle on it, and roughly
So this is the circle we got. As she said, it doesn't have to be perfect.
So our next step, we are going to wrap it around with some
Cotton, so it doesn't pinch you.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Scary.
Not sure what you would call it. Thread through around, but don't pull it just yet. Make it loose, basically, like that. Now we need to,
Put cotton in it.
it's going to be our little filler to make the burger a little
Larger.
full. So we put that on there, put our cardboard,
Make sure it makes it.
and pull our thread. What happens, it kind of wraps around the cardboard and it looks puffy, just like that bread. So, and at this point, I should have my glue gun ready. That way I can just tap a few places with hot glue. For our burger, we need
Cheese.
It's gonna be cheeseburger, right?
Yeah.
No pig.
Pig. If you have any comments, please write them down in the comment boxes. Right down below. Yummy. It's not real cheese. In the cheeseburgers, in all the cheeseburgers, here's a cool fact. In all all cheeseburgers, there are only cheddar cheese. Now that's a fun fact for the kids who like fun facts about food. Is there only cheddar cheese in burgers?
Mm-hmm. Did you make that up?
I believe that is true.
You silly Billy. What else is on the burgers?
Salad.
Salad.
I'm just gonna have salad. Lettuce, salad recommend.
Let's make a little like curvy
Make sure you make it like a circle, Mom. Just like that one. For this one, for the tomatoes, for the Mr. Tomato. For Mr. Tomatoes. For Mr. Tomatoes.
Look good enough for lettuce.
Sure.
Got more lettuce.
And
You want tomatoes?
Yeah, got it ready for the tomatoes. The cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes.
Okay, that's all that's gonna go on our burgers.
Oh, and to say, don't forget the magnets.
You got that right. Cute little bread, and this is how it looks on the inside. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on edges just to make sure it holds better. Just like that. And we got this little magnet to glue onto the side of it.
Yep.
What's our next ingredient?
This. But first we have to glue this on.
Cheese on it.
Okay. Ooh, that was on. Let's go look. It looks. Should I get an extra one? Put it on. I don't think mine looks like a star. This, because of the triangles.
Put this magnet right in the middle, but don't touch the glue. A little bit on the center. Go. Go.
Make sure you don't. Make sure you also put it. Don't forget to put it on there. I believe I can touch the sky.
I'm gonna do a little touch-ups on the edges where it's showing.
Next step.
Next step is putting lettuce and tomato on the board already. First, we need to glue our magnet. At this point, we are going to glue magnet onto the board. But before you do so, you might want to remember we hit one inside. We want to double check which side.
Mine just sideways.
So,
Oops.
it sticks this way, so if you need to, you can do a little X just to mark it what side to glue it, or we can just do it like this. Put the glue straight on as it's sitting here, and glue it onto the board where we want this burger to sit. Our next step is to glue tomato onto this lettuce. And then we're going to glue this lettuce on to that little
piece of magnet. I have the wrong magnets.
So, look at this. Okay, stop. I'll do the rest. So now go. Wait.
We have finished the chalkboard. Now I'm gonna write down something, and I'm gonna show you something cool. And then
this little burger.
And this little piece of burger.
I think this is cute.
Cute
Present.
Cute present.
It could be a present for your teacher, for if your kid wants to start writing letters. This is cute
little board for child to work on.
I want to put it in my room and have like a little to-do board or to-do list.
You can make one for yourself and like have one that you made sold on Etsy.
Okay. Well, if you guys think I should sell one, let me know in the comments, and I might sell this, put this one on Etsy, or if you want one, maybe a bigger size, let me know and I'll have one going. But yeah, happy Teachers Appreciation Day, and let your teachers know, your teacher or your kid's teacher, let them know how much you appreciate them, because I mean they spend more than just 8 to 5, because when they go home they need to grade their work, they need to update their grades, and they need to prepare next day. I think they're doing so much that we don't realize, and I greatly appreciate Nathan's teachers. Like, so far we're blessed with those teachers, and God bless their soul. They're amazing teachers, and because I see how smart he is. You're smart. No, I think it's very important for teachers to connect with kids and find that way of delivering information and knowledge to them, and
so they can get a degree, so they can get a good degree and have their own good job.
Yeah.
So they can get a lot of money for their family, so they can buy stuff when they get when your kid gets a family.
Yeah, is that your goal? To get a degree and make money and buy stuff for your family? Well, thank you for watching.
Bye.